All right, so I just got out of my first Dollar Tree, but I am gonna go to a second one. I was planning on going to the one I'm gonna go to now first, but this one's on the way there, and I was like, you know, I'd hate to drive all the way there, and then this one got a shipment and they have what I'm looking for, but they didn't. So I am gonna go there anyways. Can't hurt to check, right? So I'll just show you guys the 3 things I bought from this store. This is what I was looking for. I'm looking for these plate sets. I know it's hard to see because it's white. This is what I'm looking for. I bought the 4 bowls because they did have the bowls. So I got 4 of them with these little dots here. This looks very expensive. This looks very like Pottery Barn. Oh, I didn't notice it's kind of like missing some dots here. But either way, I was like, I hate to not pick it up. And then what if I go to the other store and I only find 3? And I'll be so sad that I didn't pick it up because I need 4 of each. 4 of each is the ideal thing to have. So I did pick up one of these, and Royal Norfolk. I don't know if that's a Dollar Tree brand, but it doesn't seem like that. It doesn't seem like it because this looks like a very nice, oh, it does say Greenbrier. So it is a Greenbrier product, which means it is a Dollar Tree product. So the good thing about Dollar Tree products is, like, you know, they're gonna have more because it's a Dollar Tree product. But yeah, so that's what I'm going to be looking for in this next store. While I was there, I did find the LA Colors Brow Cream Gel Pomade, and I just couldn't resist because I'm actually running out of my brow product. Wow, can't speak. Running out of my brow product as we speak, so I was like, I might as well get a new one for $1. You can't really beat it. So it's a decent size. I got the shade medium brown. They had 3 different shades. I thought it was really, really cool, and it was really hard to see. It's so hard to look at stuff in the makeup section, so really just you have to keep your eyes peeled and look through every single product because it's just hard to notice the new stuff. But they also had a brush to go along with this, but it didn't look very good. I still think it's cool that they offer a brush separately, of course, but it was not a very good one. I have plenty of brushes I can use for this pomade, and I've actually been wanting to get back into it, so I've been using pencils for a while now. But yeah, we'll see how it is, and obviously in a vlog I'll let you guys know if I really like this. And the last thing I got was this white bin to carry, like, whenever we do move, just to carry like my beauty products in it. I like a hard plastic bin. This is a really huge size, you guys. Like, look at how big this is. That's a big size for $1, and it's not very often that you find those bins in a white or neutral color at Dollar Tree, because most of the time they end up being like red and blue and pink and purple and green, and like that is not cute and that is not my aesthetic. Like, maybe for a kid's toy room or something, but I'm looking to use this sort of thing for like the adult areas or the rest of the house. But yeah, even I'm really just using it to carry my beauty products or cleaning supplies, whatever. Either one works. Wow, these people are moving fast. Relax. And then if I don't need it anymore, worst case scenario, it goes into my kids' room to organize their toys, and we can always use more organization. So like, you really can't go wrong with some nice white bins. There are some that are very wobbly and not sturdy, but this one that I showed you is a quite sturdy one, so definitely pick it up if you see it. If I had more cash to play around with, I would have got several. I really only have a few dollars left for the case that I find those plates. So here's hoping I find those plates. I really, really hope I find them, you guys. I really, really do. Bingo. So here were the last 2 things I bought from the second Dollar Tree I went to. This is a gray tote bag, but obviously it's plastic. It can stand up on its own, and I think this is great for storage. We all know Dollar Tree has really great bin options for storage, but I liked the shape of this for tight spaces. And I was also thinking I could keep my makeup palettes in here. So you can keep mail in here, you can keep magazines in here. There's so many things you can do. And the thing is, with these certain types of bins, when you see them, get them because they'll be gone. Also, I did find the plates, as you guys saw, so I picked up 4 plates. They did have 6 of them. They had limited supply, but I only got the 4, and those are the bowls behind there that I got that last time. So thank you guys so much for coming with me to Dollar Tree and being on the hunt for these plates, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.